Hi, I'm Tess. Welcome to Delicate Revolt TV, the entrepreneur launchpad for travelers and doers. Business travel is always very tiring. You get dehydrated on the plane, then you get jet lagged, and you have jam-packed agenda. So naturally, you look very tired. Today, I will talk about how to look energized and glowing when you are on business trip. And gentlemen, don't think this is just a topic for ladies, because if you look very tired, people will think you're not energetic. So today's tips would also help you. Hydration is one of the biggest challenges that makes people look tired. What I do is the magic of facial mask. I never go anywhere without it. So I always use this one. It's a Korean brand. It's also this one. These two are the best Korean masks that I have ever tried. This one is super moisturizing. Usually I can use it at least 2 times per mask. I bought this one from Amazon. This one I bought from Amazon, and I also got them in Korea. The prices are similar, so I'll put the links below. So with the face mask, it's super easy. I wear a facial mask before a long haul flight and after one. You wash your face first, and then you put the mask on your face. You can leave it there for 15 minutes to 45 minutes, up to you. You don't have to lay on the bed and wait for the mask to dry. I do everything with facial mask. I type emails, I get phone calls, I negotiate prices, and I even take food deliveries. I always tease that when I travel, I would treat my trip as a time to do a spa. People sometimes ask me, how do you have time to do a spa when the travel agenda is so jam-packed? If you take full advantage of the natural ingredients in the hotel and flight. The first is a yogurt mask. Yogurt is a staple for any hotel breakfast. So grab some plain yogurt from your hotel breakfast, wash your face, and leave the yogurt on your face for 3 minutes and wash off. Yogurt is a natural exfoliator. It will leave your skin glowing and supple. So coffee scrub, it looks like this. Oh, it smells so good. You can open this and use these grinded coffee powder as a natural facial grinder. No, not grinder, sounds horrible. You can use these very finely grind coffee powder as a facial scrub. It smells super good and it's all natural. You can also put this in the bathtub in your hotel room if you have one, and run hot water over that. And in just a few minutes, your bathroom is going to smell like the minute you walk into a cafe in Italy, and your bath soak will energize you physically and spiritually. If you have back-to-back meeting or need to talk a lot for conferences and meetings, if you have a dry throat, you can use honey. Grab a jar from the breakfast, and that will be your remedy for the day. Lastly, olive oil hair mask. So traveling on the plane makes my hair pretty dry. So I always bring a olive oil with me. This is actually from my Delta lunch. It's the perfect size for travel packing. Add a few drops of olive oil in your hair conditioner. Also, after you wash your hair, put some in your palm and put them on your hair as a hair oil. Your hair will be soft and supple and glowing. So this is how you take care of yourself when you travel. All of these ingredients are 100% natural and free, and you don't need to pack in your luggage. Thanks for watching Delicate Revolt TV. If the episode today is helpful, please subscribe and share. See you next time.